This right here is a YZF 600R. It's a 2003, has about 8,000 miles on it. The intention of this bike is to make it a stunt bike. We picked up this bike for $650 about a month ago, and have just pretty much been letting it sit. We have done a couple things. We did do the headlight bracket and just weld that up, and just to hold some cheap LED strips that will later be concealed by a little box. And then picked up this Yoshimura exhaust from the Junkyard Records for 30 bucks. Just bolted that on. It's not really on there, but it's good enough for now. Wrapped the seat, but it didn't turn out exactly great because the seat was in really bad shape to begin with. So we're probably just going to reshape that and rewrap it again. But otherwise, it's going to be a midway stunt bike. That's kind of the goal. It was in a small accident. A clip-on was bent, and so I just unbent that. All I'm doing right here is unplugging the wiring harness and feeding it under the frame, just so if I drop the bike, I won't damage any of the wiring harness, and it'll be nice and protected under the frame. And right here, all I'm really doing is taking the whole back end apart just to see what I'm gonna do. I think I'm going to do a custom little strip LED brake light and make it look really clean with fiberglass and stuff, but I'm honestly not sure, and I'm just kind of going with the flow. If you have any ideas of what I should do with the back end, just let me know, but otherwise, this is the end of part 1.